Ever wondered how to use your AirPods as a mic on your PC? Well, you're in the right place. Using your AirPods as a mic on a PC is simple, but you need to connect them via Bluetooth first. Just go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices on your Windows PC. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth and put your AirPods in pairing mode by holding the button on the case until the light flashes white. Finally, select your AirPods from the list and connect them. Once paired, set them as your default recording device by going to Control Panel, then Sound, and then Recording. Select your AirPods and click Set Default, and there you have it. Now your AirPods should work as a mic, but keep in mind that Bluetooth mics on Windows tend to have lower audio quality. If your mic sounds muffled, it's because Windows limits Bluetooth bandwidth when using the mic and speakers at the same time. To get the best audio, use them only as a mic without audio output, or consider a dedicated USB microphone for higher quality sound.